I've been called ugly a lot of times. I've been called nasty things by media a lot of times. ज़बरदस्ती के articles where they say actresses जिनको अपने skin tone की वजह से काम नहीं मिला सबसे ऊपर मेरा नाम होता था और अब की ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं है.
Kashmira said something really weird like at that time and I was just saying तो उसने 2-3 चीजें बोल दी थी ऑटो रिक्शा से घूमती है ऐसे करती है वैसे करती है और I don't know that shouldn't have been said. I just feel that really broke me. I really believe in tarot by the way. निया का तो हमें पूछना है दूल्हा कब आ रहा है इसकी शादी कब हो रही है.
Yes, you have picked up the lovers ka card. So the person whom you would kind of date or whom you would meet, she'll meet around June and July this year.
Okay.
Hmm.
बताऊंगी मैं कॉल करूंगी तुम दोनों को. नहीं मिला तो घूसे भी पड़ेगा.
मेरी अरे हमने थोड़ी काल इन्होंने निकाले हैं. मेरी शादी कब हो गया पता होगी भी कि नहीं होगी.
And there is a very strong possibility, if you want, I'm seeing it in the next 1.5 years.
आऊंगी तेरी शादी में.
आना ठीक है 1 year ये this year. मतलब during shooting of Splitsvilla I was in a breakup thing only यार.
What?
Yeah. It was,
I've seen her crying. Yeah.
I was crying all the time, but it's okay.
But she's 6th number na, so she wants relationships.
Yeah,
She
I
wants to
wanted.
feel good. She wants to feel belong. She wants that. Number 8. So Nia na अगर दुखी होती है ना तो वो अपने आप को समझा देती है.
It's very right.
But you have added a O to it.
Yeah, now but I've added an O to it, so it's UORFI instead of URFI.
हाँ, but that's a very nice change.
Yeah, वो it's
And
a
it
good
changed
change.
a lot of things.
Yeah, it did. I will not lie.
Yeah.
It did change a
A
lot.
lot of things.
Yeah.
Like what changes if you are
बिल्कुल ही मैं बिल्कुल ही सड़क पे थी भाई.
This is the first ever Splitsvilla season that I'll be watching as an audience, and I have to tell you, and I'm not lying, that I'm watching for the two ladies sitting just next to me because I love the vibe, I love the Behen code, and I love the way they control the show and drive the show. I've been watching it every day. मतलब अभी तो मैंने ऐसा हो गया कि इम्पल्स में मैंने सारे एपिसोड्स देख डाले and I feel like I am obsessed with people's lives, which I shouldn't be. But thank you for doing this, Urfi and Nia, mischief makers on the show.
I watched Rise and Fall for you, so you have to watch Splitsvilla for us.
Thanks. But I have to ask you that mischief maker, real life में कितना mischief और सबसे mischievous thing क्या किया है?
नहीं मैं ऐसा छोटे मोटे प्रैंक सेट वेट पे उससे ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं. एक इसने किया था प्रैंक तुम लोग को देखने को मिलेगा आगे. इसने बहुत ही भयंकर प्रैंक. You forgot the prank that you did.
किस पे किया मैंने?
सौरभ.
What prank? What I want to know.
You will see it, then only you'll realize it. It's crazy. बिल्कुल एंड में जाके दिखेगा. इसने बहुत क्रेजी प्रैंक किया था. बहुत क्रेजी. उसकी हमने ही किया था साथ में. मतलब फिर उसकी फट गई थी भाई. He was like oh fuck. उसकी मुझे लग रहा था वो भी अभी उससे बर्दाश्त नहीं होगा जब it was crazy.
But what about you? कितनी mischievous हो आप? Are you?
I'm okay mischievous. Harmless mischievous.
Yeah, harmless
which
only.
you know we all should be in some point. But other than that, I'm अपने से मतलब रखने वाली लड़की.
I have to ask you because before we move into a segment, हमने ये वाला segment थोड़ा अलग सोचा है. टैरो कार्ड का एक segment है जहाँ पे we'll call Dr. Gitanjali. But उसके पहले I want to ask you that there is that one part which you know the reason why I said I'm watching it for both of you guys because एक part है जहाँ पे आप लोग ना एक stand लेते हो and you say that why as women are we targeting other women. You said something so beautiful that and you also said it that I am 5 feet. I'm wearing these heels. So are you going to like shame me for my height? And you said I walk around with dark circles, okay? And I flaunt them. Will you shame me for that? And these are things that women are shamed for. Honestly, हाँ अगर कोई थोड़ा हाइट कम होता है लड़कों में तो उसको बहुत शेमिंग मिलती है. But beauty standards as at large affect women more than anything. And both of you especially because you guys have been targeted for beauty standards. What do you have to say about that? Like unrealistic beauty standards. Not being in control of your body or sometimes being in control of your body and then being judged for being in control of your body. What do you have to say? Anybody?
I won't say I was always like this, but after all these years, I do walk around with my dark circles. If I'm not shooting, if I'm not here for interviews, you see me at airports, you see me even at parties now, like the casual gatherings. I have really stopped going with makeup on. This is the confidence I have brought in my life in last many years, where I don't have to prove my identity to anybody. I walk with my personality now. वो एक टाइम तक था मेरे उसमें, वो पार्टीज जाना है, वो पूरा ड्रेसअप करके जाना, ये वो, बट इफ नाउ मैं अब भी गई हूँ airports, all I wear is my glasses, I take a nice shower, towel dried hair. This is me in real. Like I would wear a nice beautiful dress and I'll just walk out. I am not dependent on makeup, despite having those huge dark circles and an ideal candidate for fillers and everything in today's time. Maybe at some point you'll need, because wo itni thak jati eyes. But this is the confidence I have carried for myself, and I'm sure it wasn't always there.
But when you said that it was not always there, did that bother you back then? Did you receive comments like that broke you ever?
I have been broken a lot of times. I've been called ugly a lot of times. I've been called nasty things by media a lot of times. Zabardasti के articles where they say actresses जिनको अपने skin tone की वजह से काम नहीं मिला, सबसे ऊपर मेरा नाम होता था, और अब की ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं है. I have always gotten work. I've always gotten the maximum work. I'm somebody who's never been without work. If I've ever had to sit down without work, that has been me. That has been my decision myself. भाई मुझे बहुत काम मिला है इस industry में. They have been so nice to me, really. So all of these are noises, you know. So when I see young girls being humiliated like that for their height or for even somebody like you ना, वो इतनी innocent नहीं है जितनी वो एक moment पे बन गई और कायरा suddenly villain में की उसमें appear हो गई. No, nothing is like that. Everyone's ideology is going to change. Everyone's perception is going to change as we walk towards the finale.
Yeah.
We go through further. But at the very moment, I felt to give out this message, because I was standing on a platform like that, to tell everybody none of this shit matters, you know. It has not deterred me from reaching where I've reached in my life. If looking like this, and if having these many dark circles and having so many insecurities about your own body type is still making you so successful that you pretty much have everything by yourself,
then
what do you,
yeah,
how do you define a beauty standard? There
absolutely.
is no. Urfi is standing at a point where a lot of people even, you know, can sell an arm and a leg to be
and
standing
everybody's
where
trying
she's
to be an
standing.
Urfi Javed and
Right,
failing at
right,
it. Let's be very honest.
Right? How do you define a girl with 5 feet achieving so
Yeah,
much in
man.
her life? Only through hard work. And if you hear her story, which I also did not know, one day she very casually told me at 12, you know, we were left, I was with 3 sisters. She not even victimizing herself. She just very casually told me about her story, and you could only just drop a tear, and just that day my whole perception about her changed, you know, because same hardships you've seen in life, and
Yeah.
you don't come from those privileged backgrounds, you know. Every day you have to get up. You know, कहावत है, मैंने इंस्टा पे पढ़ी थी कि हमारे हिस्से में जो जिंदगी आई है उसके लिए शरीर में नहीं
गूदे में दम चाहिए.
आंट में दम चाहिए. And it's a fact. My brother sent it to me, and we know what we've seen in life. Then there is somebody who's sitting. भारती, जब वो कभी अपना मुंह खोल दे अपनी जर्नी के बारे में, you just only feel pleased to see that woman doing so well for herself, having that 2 kids. वो छोटी छोटी बातों में रो देती है, not because she's वो gratitude है लाइफ का, जो आपने क्या देखा है और क्या लाइफ बन गई. So before shaming anybody, before saying shitty things to anybody, please understand everyone's broken from within, you know. सब एक hard battle जी रहे हैं. I've seen your journey on this thing, how you stood up for yourself. I know you're just a pookie inside, but everyone used to shame you for your gender, for this and that.
Not everyone,
it's
a
as
few
shitty as
people.
it gets, you know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I loved how you were so savage for yourself. रख के वापस देना ही वही है. You will not have an Urfi and Nia coming by your side and taking stand for yourself. No, you did it for yourself. This is how thick-skinned everyone is in today's time.
And as one must be, honestly.
Yeah.
When I speak about you, I have been a staunch vocalist for you.
Yeah.
मैं तो फेंक के लोगों को बोलता हूँ कि भैया मतलब आज तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो paparazzi culture में, you know, initially when Urfi started doing what she does with her fashion, she was shamed, judged. अरे ये क्या कर रही है ये? आज when they see, आज everybody wants to be an Urfi, okay? But I always say that there's a level of creativity in you that even I can't match. Honestly, my mother is an artist. मेरी मम्मी जब आपके वीडियोस देखती है तो मेरी मम्मी जब वो लाइक डिकोड करने की कोशिश करती है कि अच्छा आज जो आपने पहना है, ठीक है, वो हुआ कैसे. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक रैंडमली आपने एक चद्दर, बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं कि घर का एक चद्दर निकाल के, एंड आई एम सॉरी टू से दे आर वेरी वल्गर. आई एम अ स्टॉन्च बिलीवर इन लेट एवरीबडी वेयर व्हाट दे वांट टू, let everybody be comfortable in their skin, no problem. But my point is you're doing it just for effect. And
Effect plus.
what do you have to say about that? Like, you've also been shamed for your clothes, for your body. You've been so vocal about your fillers, removing them, and I remember messaging you every day during that time when
Yeah.
and I was like,
My face was
bro, it
swollen
takes balls, and you've got more balls than most men.
because I carry my balls on my chest.
But how did it ever affect you?
हाँ मतलब कभी कभी तो ऑफ कोर्स द ट्रोलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इट डज अफेक्ट मी आई डू क्राई एट टाइम्स बट क्या कर सकते हो जिंदगी है नेक्स्ट डे यू हैव नो चॉइस एज शी सेड अब सेल्फ मेड है या करना ही है ऑप्शन ही नहीं है क्या करेंगे आपको खुद से करना ही पड़ेगा मतलब आपके उसमें दम होना चाहिए क्योंकि आपके पास और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है प्लस एम्बिशियस सो आई हैव नो अदर ऑप्शन
एंड द लेवल ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी हर दिन
Yeah.
उठ के वो इतना एफर्ट मारना
yeah.
मैं उसकी वीडियोस जब देखती हूँ यू नो व्हाट मुझे नहीं समझ में आता इफ आई एवर बी एबल टू डू दिस मच ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी और मेरे को इतना एफर्ट मैं कभी मार
Same.
पाऊंगी आई एम
नहीं,
जस्ट टू
because-
लेजी इन
but
माय लाइफ टू
that's
डू ऑल
my-
दैट शी इज
Everybody
डूइंग
sees the
कर रहे हो ना
finished
यार।
product and they feel like,
हाँ.
oh, it's so easy, but actually में easy
भाई
नहीं होता.
दिमाग
Yeah, बहुत
मारना
मेरे
एनर्जी
दिन
एंड
रात
शी सेड कि
energy-
मेरे एक आउटफिट में नहीं है इतना पैसा चला जाता है आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू बाय
So
द
I
कार
don't-
आई वांटेड फॉर
Yeah, I
मायसेल्फ
don't take anything on collaboration. I
You
pay
know.
everyone. टेलर भी मुंह मांगी कीमत मांगता है ये जो मतलब टेक वाला बंदा करता है he also has his own charges and everything and I have never taken anything on collaboration कि मैं कुछ पोस्ट कर दूंगी वैसा नहीं होता है मैं कहीं जाती भी हूँ तो खाना भी बिल खुद ही देते हैं कुछ होटल का भी किसी का भी नहीं तो उसमें खर्चा बहुत हो जाता है तो वही लाइफ जो अभी ये सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट वाली लाइफ इंसान जीता है थोड़ा सा खर्चे वाली है
But
sugar
Urfi,
daddy
what
भी
is
नहीं
the
है
worst thing that you read about yourself that broke you someday? Before we move into the tarot segment, I want to ask.
ब्रो क्यों मतलब ऐसे लोग कुछ ना कुछ बोल ही देते हैं आई एम सो सॉरी पता नहीं शी इज योर फ्रेंड कश्मीरा सेड समथिंग रियली वियर्ड लाइक एट दैट टाइम एंड आई वाज जस्ट सेइंग तो उसने दो तीन चीजें बोल दी थी ऑटो रिक्शा से घूमती है ऐसे करती है वैसे करती है और आई डोंट नो दैट शुडंट हैव बीन सेड आई जस्ट फील दैट रियली ब्रोक मी कि हाँ और आज ही मुझे पता चला कि किसी ने मेरा इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए मना कर दिया है कि क्योंकि आई एम इन द लाइक्स ऑफ राखी सावंत एंड शर्लिन चोपड़ा अरे वो दोनों भी तो इंसान है भाई so I just feel like how much more should I struggle how much more like will I be insulted still people don't see the potential or whatever I've achieved
But potential check करना है कि
Yes.
2026, 2026
Ooh, I'm so
and
excited
way beyond जो भी आपके सवाल है to answer all your questions and mine we have Dr. Gitanjali Saxena. Please
Yay.
join
Hi,
us,
Hello.
ma'am,
Hello, how are you?
for an
Hello.
amazing tarot and numerology
I
session if
really
you want.
believe in tarot by the way मैं अपना कराती भी रहती हूँ मैं तो बहुत ज्यादा ये सब करती हूँ टैरो एरो में तो बहुत ज्यादा है मेरा
वाह, do you believe in it?
नहीं मुझे लगा कि ये थोड़ी सी वैसी कि मैं तो करती हूँ
But do you have
Yeah.
questions? या तो आप सवाल करोगे
मैं
अपनी जिंदगी के
निया
बारे में
का
जो
तो
आप-
हमें पूछना है दूल्हा कब आ रहा है इसकी
दूल्हा,
शादी कब हो रही
मेरा
है
नहीं तो मैं करूंगा so that way we will do it. It's a fun segment because I thought that देखो interviews तो सब करते रहते
दिस
हैं
इज द बेस्ट इंटरव्यू
Yeah.
दैट वी हैड अभी मैं थोड़ी एनर्जी में नहीं तो मैं ऐसे थी हाँ वही सेम क्वेश्चन सेम आंसर दे दे के मैं थक गई थी अभी बताओ यस नाउ आई विल आस्क अब मैं पूछूंगी कि देखो ये पूछना तो बेकार है कि स्पिट्सविला 16 कैसा जाएगा बिकॉज़ वो ब्लॉकबस्टर जाने वाला है
वो तो जा रहा है already.
नहीं but I know this स्पिट्सविला I'm sorry but it's going to cross laughter chefs also yeah
वो ये
laughter
मत
chef
बोले।
का नंबर भी एक I am very
आया
sure
था एक दिन नंबर 1 पे आ गया था अजीब और
Yeah,
पे लास्ट वीक
अभी-
इट वाज नंबर 1
laughter chef के उसमें ओवरऑल भी हर OTT का नंबर 1 शो होगा स्पिट्सविला
ब्रो आई एम ऑन बोथ सो आई डोंट
Yeah,
mind I
exactly.
don't
नहीं,
mind.
नहीं,
I was gonna say that.
LC की बात नहीं है Spitzvilla is going to be the number 1 I think it's going to cross Big Boss also
How cool
I
is
feel
that?
like that
Will it?
Insha-
Please.
Inshallah.
My
अरे, अरे,
question is,
हाँ.
will this season of Splitsvilla 16 be the highest ranked season of Splitsvilla and do better than other reality shows?
Yeah.
Okay, so why don't you remove your cards? Because
I
you
will
your
remove for them. Let's
No.
remove one card
Okay,
each.
Urfi, आप ही कर दीजिए.
नहीं
हाँ,
करना
उर्फी कर दीजिए.
So whatever cards you want to remove, since it's your question, it
एक ही
will
करना है
help
ना
us. अरे, you should be comfortable, not one from me. आप 3 करें, 5 करें, 10
अच्छा
करें.
कुछ भी जितना भी करना
हाँ,
है
हाँ.
तो मैं 2 ही करती हूँ बस
Be
दो.
with- हाँ, अभी आपने
मत
ही
करो
choose किया है. I'm just going to read the
Yeah.
cards. So basically, the first card has come very nice. The Wheel of Fortune.
Wheel of
And
Fortune.
Wheel of Fortune. So this, I don't know, but it has kind of. Now I'm going to read this only for you because it's not a generic question since you have picked up the cards. So this has been a great milestone in your career. Okay, in the sense that one of the milestones I would say, and it is going to give you a lot of things. You're going to travel a lot. You're going to. It's like some negativity or some kind of a block has been shifted, and you have kind of arrived, if I would say. And this is a very good card. Now let me see second. So if the one card था, now this 100% it is not there that ये बहुत ही अच्छा जाएगा, लेकिन definitely अच्छा जाएगा. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि the but it is going to be good. Can you just pick up one more card?
Yeah, sure.
because you wanted to pick up only one card, and so it will do well. First of all, let me tell you, it will do well, and from 2nd of February to the 7th of February, it will start doing even more better than what it is, and it will give you a lot of more opportunities. There is something about the show which you could be like thinking whether this is for me, not for me, but you'll be getting a lot of offers post 7th of Feb for after going to your Spitzvilla thing. But I will not say it's going to be like it will be a good show, but not going to
अच्छा
cross.
चलो. Oh no.
पर who knows?
Who
Who
knows?
knows?
हाँ.
निया के लिए सवाल, निया आप खुद पूछेंगी कि मैं पूछूं?
आप पूछ लो.
निया को सच में एक्चुअल में प्यार और पैसा में, ये पैसा विला में है, आई नो, बट आई वांट टू आस्क कि निया इज अ सॉफ्टी, यू नो. आई नो दैट निया का दिल
निया
एकदम-
रिलेशनशिप में कब
हाँ,
आ रही है? निया
इस
को
साल
लड़का
निया
कब
की
मिल रहा है?
किस्मत में
कब लड़का मिल रहा है?
लड़का, अच्छा एक लड़का मिलेगा कि नहीं?
Okay, as far as I'm able to understand, I
Oh,
have
number तो है.
numbers with me. Okay. लड़का अगले साल.
ओह.
2027 इस साल चालू हो जाए ना, तो फिर अगले साल तक तो हो ही
मेरा भी फिर इसके बाद बताना.
So I don't know much about Nia.
द लवर्स का कार्ड आया.
But yes, you have picked up the lovers ka card. So the person whom you would kind of date or whom you will meet, we shall meet around June and July this year.
Okay.
Okay,
मैं
June
call
and
बताओ
करने
ना,
July.
मैं कॉल करूंगी तुम दोनों को.
हाँ.
नहीं मिला तो घूसे भी पड़ेगा.
अरे हमने तो बड़ी कार्ड इन्होंने निकाले हैं.
चलेगा.
तुमने पूछा ना उनसे.
हाँ
हाँ.
चलेगा, मैं तो घुसे खा भी लूंगा, बट व्हाट इफ
The
निया
person can be somebody whom you know from before. Okay. No, see, okay.
I get it.
Yeah, somebody who can be known from before, or some friend of yours will introduce, but this will be a good relationship. Okay relationship. I'm not saying that you may go ahead and get married
Yeah.
next year. No, you're not going to do it. Okay.
अभी दो
It
मतलब
will
एक
take
साल
time.
में.
It will take a time. She's not. I don't see marriage for her. There will be relationships, but I don't see marriage for her in the next 2 years at
2
least.
years. पर तो शादी
This
तो
year
करनी
and
नहीं है
next
अभी.
year.
You want to
Okay.
get married? I don't think you want to
I
get.
want to get married. मेरी
Why
शादी
not?
कब है आप ये बताओ.
Huh? But
Why
not for
not?
2
You want to get married?
But not these 2 years.
Eventually, yes.
No,
I
but
think.
2
Eventually
years
मैं
तो
बोला
नहीं.
अभी
2 years की बात हो रही है.
Yeah, why not?
2
What's
years
What's
भी
the
नहीं.
problem?
get married. मुझे बुलाना, but I'll dance at your संगीत.
You will get married. That is 100% there, but not in these 2 years.
Yeah.
You may make a decision later on.
Yeah.
But you will get married, and it's going to be a good marriage.
Thank you. That's what I wanted to
Yes,
hear.
it's going to be a very good marriage.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
देर है दुरुस्त है.
हाँ, ये दिलवाली बंदी, इसका मैरिज तो चलना ही है.
मेरी शादी कब हो गया पता होगी भी कि नहीं होगी.
आप ही
मैं
अपने
तो
कार्ड
बैठी
निकालो,
हूँ.
आप तो बाजू में हो ना.
Yeah, okay,
कर दो
अरे
हाथ
कोई
पीले.
यार,
सेंटर में करेंगे तो कैसे? अच्छा ठीक है चलो.
थोड़ा सा इधर कर देते हैं.
हम्म.
क्या निकाल देते हैं?
हाँ
हाँ,
इन्हें
ठीक है.
निकालने दो. हाँ
हाँ.
ठीक है.
काट भी सकते
चलो. हाँ.
आप सोच के क्या आपको चाहिए वो पूछना, ठीक है? Since you are picking it up.
शादी हो रही कि नहीं ये सवाल है ना.
हैं. मतलब कब होगी?
कब होगी?
कब होगी तो फिर
Three cards. Queen of Cups. ये
100% होगी.
ये
100%
बधाई हो.
कब होगी?
बट मैं आपको एक बात बोलूं,
क्या क्या?
उर्फी, मुझे लग रहा है कि आप है ना अपनी शादी अपने किसी रिलेटिव, मदर या अपने उनके जैसे, अगर आपको कोई पसंद आता है तो अगर वो यस बोलेंगी तब आप जाके करेंगे.
मतलब my mother will only say yes.
Yes,
She's
yeah.
very sweet
So
only
it's
that
going to
way.
be a good marriage. Again, you also have a very good marriage, but more on a religious thing.
Religious?
Religious in the sense कि society. See, please understand. एक होता है कि हमने कर ली शादी and all that, but ये society की शादी होगी. It will be a good marriage. People will come and things like that. And there is a very strong possibility, if you want, I'm seeing it in the next 1.5 years.
बधाई हो बहन. मैं
ये
आऊंगी तेरी शादी में.
मैं भी-
आना ठीक है 1 year ये this
One
year.
1.5 years.
And
मतलब next year तक तो है ही अपनी शादी.
so even and आपकी शादी का एक और मैं आपको बताऊंगी, आपको पैसा भी चाहिए शादी में और प्यार भी
Yes.
चाहिए.
हाँ दोनों चाहिए.
दोनों चाहिए. It's not just पैसा और प्यार.
मुझे
She
प्यार और
wants
पैसा
both.
दोनों चाहिए.
She wants both. She wants to be pampered. She wants to be loved. She's looking for emotions and she wants money also. So ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ प्यार एंड सिर्फ पैसा, दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन जब मिलेगा तब आप शादी करोगे.
बट प्यार और पैसा में चूज करना होगा तो क्या चूज?
अभी मैं प्यार ही
वो
चूज
दोनों ही
करूंगी.
करने वाली है.
प्यार. ओके, व्हाट वुड यू?
पैसा.
sad.
इसीलिए उसको 2.5 साल है, मुझे अभी है। उसको इसीलिए ज़्यादा टाइम है।
2 साल का नहीं है.
I agree.
Yeah.
But मुझे ये जानना है कि you guys have spoken about relationships and the importance of relationships and love. Has it ever happened that a breakup has really like moved you or affected you where like
Every
you found it
breakup does,
difficult?
yeah. You
Yeah,
always
every
question
breakup
yourself
does.
what went wrong, why did it go wrong, why
During-
did he walk away.
मतलब during shooting of Splitsville, I was in a breakup thing
Yeah.
only, यार.
What?
Yeah. It
Yeah,
was
I've seen her
hard.
crying, yeah.
Yeah, I was crying all the time, but it's okay.
But how do you deal with it? Do you have a defense?
Crying.
Crying, हाँ, रो दो जब रोना आ गया, फिर हंस दो when something is funny, and when you're sad, you're sad. It's you're just time.
Healing is silent, no, it takes time.
Yeah.
You know, it just happens.
But कभी ऐसा हुआ है where like after my breakup I had decided I'll not fall in love only for a really long
तुम तो अलग ही extremes में हो, तुम्हारा बीच का कुछ होता ही नहीं ना.
Yeah,
हाँ,
you
क्या
are
है
अभी
extreme?
मुझे कभी प्यार नहीं होगा.
नहीं
अभी
अभी
मैं
कभी
किसी के
प्यार नहीं, अभी खत्म हो गया वो दौर भी
हाँ,
खत्म हो गया, मुझे तो इस साल
नहीं,
मुझे प्यार
दूसरे
करना
से नहीं
है.
हुआ नया आएगा, उससे नहीं हुआ फिर नया आएगा
It's
प्यार.
yeah, man.
But
हो
do you not
जाएगा.
have these phases like कि अच्छा this didn't work out, what if the next time, do you have like fear?
I'm not
of-
traumatized or I'm not fearful
Same.
of anything. I know the day it has to come in, I am somebody who will give my all to something if to make it work. But सामने वाला अगर उसमें नहीं है, if it's he's not in it, how am I going to stop him? No, you can't. Somebody has to go, he will leave, right? But for me, I will fall in love. I am all for love and I will give my all in my relationship. So I know about myself, I don't know about the other person, you know. So
What
it's-
about you?
I am very hopeful, और मुझे ऐसा कोई ट्रॉमा नहीं होता. मतलब I feel like ठीक है, ये नहीं तो कुछ ना कुछ तो आगे लिखा है, जैसे इन्होंने बोला, हो जाएगा.
और एक जाएगा तो
दोनों
ही
का
नया
positive
आएगा.
है.
अभी आप थोड़ा करियर वरियर का बताओ. मेरा बहुत ही खराब टाइम, मेरे 2-3 शोज
This is
कैंसिल
going
हुए.
to be a good
2-3
year
shows
for you.
cancel हो
Neha.
गए.
Thank you,
हाँ,
ma'am.
मेरा एक
So
Netflix
sweet.
का कैंसिल हो
सुन
गया,
लो
वो cancel हो
दोस्तों,
गया.
वो क्या
This
बोल
year
रही है?
is going to be good for her. She's the horse and this is the year of the horse.
Whoa.
Oh!
So you need to this year focus actually on
I
work.
will, I will.
तब हाँ, फिर तुम
This is
प्यार
the
वार में
least
मत
I
पड़ो.
deserve. The starting has been beautiful.
Don't get into love
I-
this year.
I
but
can
आपका
manage.
career.
मेरा करियर, मेरे 1-2 शो कैंसिल हो गए. मेरा अभी बिल्कुल खराब जा रहा है. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूं. कि भगवान कुछ अच्छा, अभी आप ही हो मेरी उम्मीद, नहीं तो फिर तो सीधे मैं घर जाके
उल्टा
बस
पुल्टा
फिनाइल की
मत।
बॉटी रखी, फिनाइल की बॉटल रखी है मेरे
ओए।
पास.
हो जाएगा. I feel the show will that you're
So
thinking
you are
of.
talking about work right now.
Yeah, work.
She wants to talk about everything.
Okay, she has picked up the very nice cards you're picking up. By the way, it's the chariot. This card is showing you are definitely very focused on work. Your yin and yang energy also is very, very balanced.
Yeah.
Okay, as long as you put your focus on work, you will get work. That's the first thing, and you have been very, very successful. More than work, the shows that you have said have cancelled is possibly because you are still grieving for whatever you lost. I think so. You need to hasten up the process
over
if you because the card which has come up is a slight. It's like a hermit. So she's saying I want work, but there is a part of her, I don't know whether you will be agreeing with me or not, which wants to withdraw and retreat emotionally, not work-wise. मतलब कैसे बोलो, grieving for whatever just now you said, the relationship which has broken up. So you need.
Are you over it? Or
No,
you're
she's
no,
not.
not
I am
over it.
telling you, she
Exactly.
has been harping
what
on
I
it, and
said.
she needs to get out of it. Is what I want
Yeah,
to
That's
tell
what
her.
this card is showing, that
Yeah.
she needs to get out of it, take some time to work on what went wrong. Thoda sa, for 5 days, 7 days, you can retreat in the mountains or something like that and work.
She's done it in Mahabalipuram for months
Yeah.
now. Get
And
out
this
of
is
it.
the Ace of Pentacles. 100% this is money and work. So you have not picked up a single bad card. The only thing is that you need to work on yourself, nothing else.
Yeah.
And find a spiritual mentor or a spiritual guide, a genuine spiritual guide whom you respect. In the sense, you will find many people, but एक होता है ना, दिल से आपको ये पसंद है, ये आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये सही में मेरे लिए करेंगे, ऐसे किसी को आप ढूंढो उर्फी. और अगर आप नहीं ढूंढा तो 100% आपका वर्क तो अच्छा जाएगा ही जाएगा, बल्कि आपकी बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ रही हैं. एंड दिस वी आर सिटिंग इन
Yes.
जनवरी ना, सो आपकी जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज थोड़े समय के लिए, ओके मैं आपको टाइम दे रही हूँ और ये टाइम गलत नहीं जाएगा. अप्रैल 2 महीना आपको, फेब और मार्च में आपको लगेगा कि मैं जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गई, कुछ मिला नहीं,
Okay.
ये नहीं
Kangana
मिला.
Ranaut
हाँ,
from
the
Queen.
cards are not that great. If you heal yourself from this breakup, then it will be early. Otherwise, the world is there for you.
Okay.
If you keep
If you heal
your RR on, then it's not going to happen.
नहीं आ रहा नहीं.
अप्रैल में आपको इतना अच्छा शो आएगा, इतना अच्छा काम आएगा कि आप बोलोगे yes, it is right. So the work is not the problem.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी
Emotions.
You are the problem.
I'm the
खतरों के खिलाड़ी
Emotion.
अप्रैल में जा रहा है
She's
अप्रैल
very
में
emotional.
April
एक
में
6 number, she's 6 number ना, so she wants
Yeah.
relationships.
Yeah,
She
I
wants
want
to
it.
feel good. She wants to feel belong. She wants that. So 6 number की वजह से she's very emotional.
and Nia is what number
Number 8.
Number 8. So Nia ना अगर दुखी होती है ना तो वो अपने आप को समझा देती है.
That's very right.
आप अपने आप को समझा देती हो कि यार ठीक है हो गया. But she's able to come out of it. She goes into a lot of emotional turmoil.
Yeah.
but मुझे जाना है
काम है.
Okay.
अगर ये टैरो ने बोला काम है तो काम है.
Okay.
100%.
100%.
but
100%. All
मेरी
the
शादी
cards-
है 1.5 आना आप तीनों तो इनवाइटेड हो ही
हाँ,
हो मेरी
done.
शादी में तुम तीनों की वजह से ही हो रही है तो ये
नहीं बुलाएगी तो मैं तो मार पीटने आऊंगी.
अरे,
यार,
कैसे
कैसे
कर रहे हो?
कैसे बोल दिया.
done
यही
Done.
मुंबई में ही होगी भाई मुंबई में ही है
मुझे ये सवाल है because
नयन का रिलेशनशिप का हो रहा है
हाँ मेरा तो इस
हर दूसरे दिन.
हर दूसरे
बोलो
दिन
किस महीने नहीं हो रहा है.
listen please that's the exact opposite हो ही नहीं रहा वो अलग
I
बात
know
है
him from at least
2 months now you tell me how हो रहा है क्या
I've
कुछ
seen him
नहीं
only working.
नहीं, it's
for
about
yeah.
us right now.
but I want to ask कि you know you spoke about the numbers like she's number 6 number 8 so numerology you've changed your name right
Yeah.
was it because of numerology
Yeah,
and how does
numerology.
that has that shifted anything
It is
does-
100% shifted.
या
Right?
बहुत शिफ्ट
Because
हुआ
उनका
है
8 और 8 नंबर था मैंने जो आपका
Yeah.
देखा. लेकिन मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी आपसे अगर आप अपने जो सरनेम है उनको आप रखेंगे तो आपको ज्यादा बेनिफिट होगा बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अ ट्री.
नहीं यूजुअली है
है ना?
मतलब उर्फी जावेद हर जगह बट पेपर्स पे नहीं है एवरीवेयर एल्स आई यूज उर्फी जावेद
ओके.
एवरीवन कॉल्स मी उर्फी जावेद
तो फिर उसका जो टोटल है बिकॉज आपका उर्फी का टोटल नंबर 6 पे आ रहा है
हम्म
और जावेद का आई थिंक सो इज कमिंग टू 8 सो 8 + 6 इज अगेन 5 सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी गुड फॉर यू ओनली इट्स नॉट
तो या मतलब उर्फी जावेद एवरीवन कॉल्स मी
हाँ.
उर्फी जावेद ओनली बट या पासपोर्ट एंड एवरीवेयर एल्स मेरा कभी था ही नहीं सो
ओके
so I
बट यू
never
हैव एडेड
documents
ओ
में
टू इट.
yeah now but I've added an O to it so it's UORFI instead of URFI
हां बट दैट्स अ वेरी नाइस चेंज.
yeah वो yeah, it's
and
a
it
good
changed
change
a lot of things.
yeah it did I will not lie
Yeah.
it did change a lot
lot of things.
Yeah.
like what changes if you
बिल्कुल ही मैं बिल्कुल ही सड़क पे थी भाई बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम थी मतलब मैं फेमस हो रही थी पर पैसा नहीं आ रहा था मैं जैसे वो कश्मीरा ने बोला मैं ऑटो से ही चलती थी स्पॉटिंग कराती थी मैं पैप्स के सामने ऑटो ही रुकवा के आ रही हूँ तो जैसे ही नाम चेंज हुआ हो गया गाड़ी वाड़ी सब हो गई yeah.
what about her
So
name,
she's coming. I
numerology?
saw her numerology also. She's a number 8 and नैसर्गिक तौर से अगर हम बोले naturally बोले निया तो आपका नंबर 5 पे आ रहा है which is good so you don't need to change anything so even though you may also show that sometimes you are you know money आप बोल रहे हो लेकिन आप ऐसे नहीं हो कि 7 नंबर केतु का नंबर है तो दिल का नंबर होता है इंसान दिल से सोचता है दिमाग से नहीं so you are a very emotional person and you are blessed by coming to number 5 so you don't need to change anything.
Thank you, ma'am.
but have you ever been told to change names
No,
or-
but I have changed my name from. It was actually Neha. I have done it Nia, but
Okay.
for not numerology reasons, it was because Neha is the most common name I had in my class. 8 Nehas were there.
Okay.
So before coming to the industry, I changed it to Nia because my daddy used to call me not Neha, Nia. So I just changed it to Nia, and it just
Okay.
worked wonderfully because you don't clash your names with anybody else.
Right,
Wow,
right, right.
lovely.
So,
Yeah.
but it gave you an identity.
It
It's a
does,
different-
and I just
yeah.
the name goes really well. I think suits me well.
2026 now that उसके पहले मुझे पूछना है कि they are coming back to Laughter Chef okay it's one of my most favorite shows
Yeah,
again.
they're coming on.
the
Laughter Chef.
OGs are back so do you think that Laughter Chef what it was doing now of course I know the answer but I want to check टैरो में कि
हाँ.
अब इनके आने के बाद पूरा टीम आ रहा है सुदेश जी ये अंकिता विकी अर्जुन सब आ रहे तो डू यू सी द शो गोइंग इवन आगे
तो ये मैं करूँ कि
Nia
आप-
should
Nia,
pick.
can you please pick? That show is very close to your heart.
Ma'am, it's been 3 years on that show. It changed
Yeah.
a lot for me.
Yeah.
It changed
That
the
show is
perception of
very-
the audience about me. So I will not lie about it. Yeah, it's close to
Can
my
you
heart.
give me 3 more cards? My God, there are so many messages. Yes, so definitely it's going to do as much as this show did, whatever, but it's going to be great. So again, it's going to open a lot of doors for you. So this show will go for at least, and you will be a part of the show for at least 5 years. मतलब आपने 3 किया है और 2 साल तो मुझे आप दिख रहे हो शो में और ये तो आपने क्या मतलब you have picked up your cards. I will just say one thing. I know you must be doing a little bit of charity or more of charity. थोड़ा सा charity ज़्यादा करना शुरू कीजिए.
Done. I will.
Yeah, some कोई orphanage में कुछ कर दो, because that's the card you have picked up. There's some cards I'm saying. Do a little bit of charity. You will invite more luck and abundance in your life.
Okay.
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 And before we close this or wrap this, I want to know overall उर्फी के लिए 2026 कैसा रहेगा personally, professionally and overall निया
Yeah.
के लिए कैसा रहेगा?
मेरी तो हो रही शादी भाई.
Please give me one card for professional, one card for personal, and overall one card. Okay. And
This is-
she's an ox according to Chinese astrology. So she's very steadfast, very loyal, and you know
That
she
she
will
is.
very relationship oriented, family oriented.
या मैन, ये मेरे एक्स को कोई समझा है.
This is for
This is for profession.
you forgot.
Yeah, I we don't पर profession ही ले लेते हैं
चलो
इसको.
we'll keep it. Okay, अब देखिए ये वापस से इन्होंने वही कार्ड लिए. This is going to be a good year for you. Money is going to come in. See the 9 of Pentacles, पैसा आ रहा है. Okay, तो पैसा आ रहा है. शादी का भी कार्ड बहुत अच्छा है. आपको कहीं ना कहीं से आपके रिलेटिव के यहाँ से भी कहीं ना कहीं से आपकी शादी का
नहीं
मैसेज
वहां से
आएगा.
नहीं चाहिए.
आएगा 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 तब आप देख लेना, बट आएगा कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. एंड इमोशनली इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ गुड ईयर फॉर यू.
हाँ बस अब खत्म हुई
Only
emotional
Shiv
thing.
decides to get out of her past traumas.
But doesn't
Will
it-
my ex come back to me? ये एक क्वेश्चन पूछ सकती हूँ मैं.
100%.
उसे
That's
फोन कर
it.
लेना.
नहीं नहीं वो नहीं करना है. मुझे देखना कि अब वो आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. मैं क्यों जाऊँ उसके पास? Will my ex come back to me? Like
Give me
हमारा
the cards.
patch up होगा कि नहीं होगा? जिससे अभी
Give
मेरा
me just
breakup
one
हो.
card for this.
One
It's
card.
going to be a yes or a no.
Yes. ये card.
थोड़ा मुश्किल है. थोड़ा मुश्किल है. हाँ? थोड़ा मुश्किल है.
अरे but it's okay, move
एक
on.
और card दूँ क्या? एक और
हाँ
card
एक और. See, it's not because there is an interference in this relationship.
King of Wands है king.
देखो दोनों ही no card है. There is an
No card है.
interference. There is an interference in this relationship which is creating a block.
ये एक और मैं निकालती हूँ.
So जो ये end हुआ, it ended with a lot of conflict, and it ended with a lot of conflict with a lot, and there were 2-3 people involved. So even though he wants to come back, people are not allowing him to come back.
Yeah,
so
his
I think
कुत्ते friends.
that is what these two people are.
Oh,
अगर
yeah.
मैं directly बोलूँ तो वही these two people are stopping this person from coming back. He wants to come back, but these two people are stopping him from coming back.
कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
कर सकते हैं, don't worry. कुछ ना
नहीं.
कुछ कर लेंगे.
And lastly कैसा रहेगा आपका साथ?
She
Yeah.
told me she's going to be a good year. I just have to focus. बोला मैंने. Shiv.
अच्छा बोल दे. Cards pick किया?
Cards से नहीं pick up किया.
Cards.
Personal, professional, overall.
Okay, I'll
Sorry,
pick
sorry.
this for my personal, and this pick this for my professional, and another one for
Overall.
overall.
Personal भूल जाना.
Thanks.
Personal मत करना. You will get demotivated on this thing. And as per as your work is there, work is going to grow. There is no problem. It's a year of the horse for you. And the only thing is, don't rush into things immediately.
Yeah.
So you are a horse sign. You're very, very enterprising, very, very charming. Wherever you go, people like you and all that. The only thing is, don't rush into things. Think, थोड़ा सा सोच के फिर आप decisions लेना. That's the only thing. I've also picked up the world card for you, so it's going to be great for you. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
वाह.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's
But
go.
thank you so much,
Thank you
Gitanjali
so
ma'am,
much, Nayan.
and thank you Urfi and Nia
Thank
for
you.
joining us. And I wanted this interview to be a little different
Yeah.
because पैसा प्यार eventually किस्मत की बात है.
Yeah.
कि किसके पास पैसा आए, किसके पास प्यार आए,
प्यार
किसके
आएगा.
पास दोनों ही आए या दोनों ही ना आए. तो इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि एक सेगमेंट करते हैं जो थोड़ा अलग होगा.
Better.
And I hope you had some of your answers.
Yeah.
और अगर वो आंसर्स मैच होते हैं
Yeah, I
Done. We're
will
gonna call
invite
you.
you to my wedding, bro. What do you
Done,
say?
वो तो करना ही है वो
You'll
तो
be the chief guest.
but thank you so much for doing this and I wish genuinely मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि this is the first season of Splitsvilla that I am watching
How sweet.
and I have
Yeah.
I've become obsessed. I've literally texted some of the contestants also on Instagram
Oh.
saying that, oh, I think you are a good person, your soul is good, don't worry, Chakshdeep. I said that मुझे पहले आपकी चीजें पसंद नहीं आई, but I really feel you are a very good guy and all of that I've done and I feel like I've suddenly become so invested in their lives, which I should control myself to be.
Please do.
But I think that's why it will have a higher viewership because देखो हमारे जैसे लोग जो देखते हैं
होगा
तो
होगा
देखने लग गए.
100%.
So thank you to many more seasons of you having both of you as Mystic
Yeah,
Makers.
yeah. Let's
Thank
go.
you so much
ये
for
भी
this.
खत्म करते हैं भाई.